Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Got this AMG coming to see. I'm about to see if he gonna be. I see it, got a 6'3". Mercedes Benz, it's AMG. Yeah. Got a girl in the front seat.
That boy Izzy.
That boy Izzy. It is that boy Izzy. 214. Yeah. What y'all think on this one? Look out, look out. Oh, this side gonna lose. Who is this? K Benz?
Hey, you gotta get a burnout. Hey, tell her to do a burnout. Hey, I'll put prep down.
She done double bubbed and everything, y'all.
Hey, you got it. Put that hole in sport mode. Hey, make sure the AC is up. Like, fuck that. I like that shit. Hey, watch you go again.
Enough lanes for the win. All right, let me put this charge in. Got that.
Find a cord that'll work?
Yep.
Alright, good.
Got me
I'll
a.
let you use it, I just can't. I gotta
Nah, I had one in the car, I just didn't know.
Okay.
Let me make sure we. Oh, it's still. Oh, I gotta put it on the charge.
Are you going to Paris this weekend?
Nah, I ain't going.
No?
No, sir.
I hope they got signal out there, man. That place looks like it's in the middle of nowhere.
Okay, now I'm charging.
They got a Walmart.
Hey, y'all, let's hit the like button. It's free, y'all. A lot of good what did. I'm ready to eat now. My stomach. Y'all need some tacos. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Coming up next, we got a Mustang 5.0. Versus G20 Mike 3. Oh, they betting on this. Right side is Murder Squad. Oh, shit. Is that enough for Lock It Up performance or what, y'all? I here. Funkytown say the other side. I'm finna bet with him. Let me see if I can find somebody. Hell nah. You ready? You got that intake? Okay, he got that intake, y'all. Yeah, they got that glue there. Come on up some. Right there. Okay, everybody in the TikTok, they been with the Mustang, y'all. Hey, look out, you got that intake, right?
Yeah, I'm got back tire and hit.
You giving him the back tire and the hit? Damn. Okay. Let's see. Shit, he might, y'all, TikTok, y'all might be right. Uh-oh, excuse me. TikTok, y'all were wrong. TikTok went with the Mustang. Y'all done picked the wrong car. Y'all done picked the wrong car. Look out. Okay. Uh-oh. I ain't see nothing. I ain't see it. I wasn't over there when it broke. Okay. Let's see what else in the line, y'all. What's up with it? Let me see what the hell. YouTube versus TikTok. I got 557 on TikTok. Hey, my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all check out my my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Racing, 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 racing. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Racing, 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 racing. Check out my YouTube channel. That's where I want you to go. Cause I'm trying to get my subscribers up. You already know. I done raced this car before. I done made me a video. I want you to go on my channel to watch it though. Watch it though. Hey, let's do it right now, y'all. Let's do it. Hey, come on, let's do it. Let's fucking do it.